together, all of us girls from 80 countries, in one room. And then she went up to the stage and she said, "You should all be proud of yourselves because you won in your country. You're already the best of the best. And in this room are the best girls from all over the world. But unfortunately, there's only going to be one winner, and this is something that, because she hates seeing girls become disheartened or disappointed, or to see them cry after the pageant. I mean, of course, nobody wants to see that. I'm sure Madam Stella also doesn't like to see candidates going home and packing their bags, leaving the competition empty-handed, right? She's seen me
shot ng video.
have that moment. Madam Stella has seen me gone home with nothing. So Miss Paula Schubert, she feels for the girls. She cares about us. And she said, whoever Miss Universe is going to be, that's her destiny. So yes, I do believe that it's a combination of all things. Your determination, your hard work, your perseverance, of course your beauty comes with it, your confidence, your grace, how you handle yourself, how you answer your questions, your behavior, but also the stars align for you.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
I'm Tama Session.
Of course. I love your vibe, by the way.
Thanks so much.
And I see Prado over there, my dog.
Yeah. You have dreamt big and conquered it. How do you look at success now that you're on the same course?
How do I look at success? Okay. Success is contentment, right? You can't say that success comes in all forms. I can be successful because I graduated. I can be successful because finally I was able to provide this for my family. I was successful because I finished this 1 hour in the treadmill that I thought that I couldn't do. Success comes in different forms. So it's really about yourself. Are you contented? Are you happy? That's how I understand success to be. So, with winning the Miss Universe pageant and being Miss Universe, can I say that I was successful with it? Yes. But it doesn't end here. It doesn't end after I pass on the Pilipinas Universe crown. It doesn't end when I pass on the Miss Universe crown. Success will still happen. And I'd like to believe that I still have a lot of moments in the future. Successful moments, of course.
Thank you. You've accomplished a lot as Miss Universe. Since you won, what do you consider, or the one closest to your heart, among the advances you've done so far, like the HIV, AIDS campaign, as well as the cyberbullying campaign? What do you consider the one closest to your heart among your advances?
Okay. We've been working on quite a few of them. Whenever we're not very active on social media, which we try to be all the time, it's because I'm busy training with organizations to educate myself for HIV/AIDS awareness. And I learn a lot. So I'm learning statistics worldwide, and I'm learning about the statistics here in the Philippines. I'm learning about how do people get tested? Where do I go? How much does it cost? Is it even free? Are people going to find out? Is my privacy? Is my privacy going to be a problem with it? How about my partner? So all of these things. So the HIV